guys, welcome. Today's special is Ragi Laddu, high in nutrition and made with minimal ingredients. So without any further ado, let's begin. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. To this add 2 glasses of ragi flour. Add half teaspoon of crushed cardamom seeds. You can also add cardamom powder. Roast this for 15 minutes on low flame. Once the ragi flour starts to crumble like this, switch off the flame and transfer it to a plate. In a saucepan, add 1 glass of water. Bring this to a boil. Now add 3/4 glass of jaggery powder. Boil this for 15 minutes on low flame. After 15 minutes, the water gets reduced. The consistency is neither too thick nor runny. Switch off the flame and keep it aside. I've crushed few walnuts. We'll add this to the roasted ragi flour. Mix this well. I've also taken a tablespoon of ghee. This is for greasing our hands while making the laddus. These are some chopped walnuts for garnish. Let's start making the laddus. I have taken the jaggery water. Remember, the water should be hot while making the laddus. Remember to grease your hands with ghee before making the laddus. Roll it and make it into a laddus like so. I'm taking some chopped walnuts for garnish. So that's how quick and easy this delicious and healthy ragi laddus are made. Do try this for your loved ones. You can make this and store it in the fridge up to 1 week. Hope you have liked the recipe. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.